There we go, baby. Another all-time high for Palantir stock at over $83 per share. What a better way to kick off this week, guys, as Christmas is in 2 days. By the way, guys, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I appreciate all of you for tuning in today. So I guess it was an early Christmas present for us Palantir shareholders, as again, we hit over $83, and now it looks like we're rallying yet again in real time. So we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, my thoughts. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks for a moo. You might as well, guys. Everybody's spending a lot of money these days with the holidays, with Christmas, so you might as well get some free money for a moo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So Palantir, guys, oh my goodness, yet again, another all-time high for the stock at $83.10. You heard that right, guys. We took out the highs from around 2 weeks ago, and since that high hit in the pre-market, by the way, we have sold off, or we did sell off a little bit to about $77. So we did get quite a sell-off there, about $6 per share, or about 6-7%. But since that point, we have rallied. We are rebounding. We're getting a nice recovery intraday here from $77, $77.50 to now we're pushing over $80, pushing $81 per share. So Palantir, guys, in my eyes, the way I'm looking at it, it's gunning for all-time highs again right now. Intraday, it might not hit them again today, might not hit them tomorrow either. Wednesday the market's closed, so maybe Thursday, Friday, we'll see how that goes. But either way, guys, look, we broke out of the wedge that we called out, that we talked about here on YouTube, which is why you guys got to subscribe. You got to pay attention to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, almost at 50,000 subs, guys. Unbelievable. So we called out the wedge a couple of videos ago, and boom, on Friday we broke out of it, and today we continued that momentum. So we were making higher lows, lower highs at the same time for a couple of weeks, nothing too crazy, about a week, 2 weeks. And since that point, well, we broke out of there, out of the wedge on Friday. We took out $76, ran all the way to $80, $81 on Friday. And what did I say in my last update video? I told you guys, look, if we gap up today on Monday, if we see that continuation from Friday's gains, we might hit all-time highs. And here we are, guys. Here we are, another all-time high. Like I said, we hit 82.70, I think, was the high from before. So we hit that point, broke out of it. Now we're selling off a little bit. So in the short term, guys, what I'm looking for is a retest. Will we retest 82.50, $83? That could be a nice trading opportunity from here to that point where we retest. And if we retest that and then break out, well, you guys know where we might be going from there. A lot higher, potentially, right? So PLTR, guys, even though it's red right now, a little bit, 0.1% in the red, today's still a very good day for the bulls, and buyers are coming in right now, guys. They're coming in at about $77.50, $78, right above these moving averages on the 1 hour chart, which, by the way, we still have a golden cross on this time frame, which could signal more upside in the short term. Keep that in mind. So, guys, this looks like it might be going higher. As crazy as that sounds, or it might sound, it looks like it might be going higher. So the wedge is playing out, and now we might have ourselves in a triangle, kind of. If I draw out this new pattern that I'm noticing here, yeah, I guess we kind of have a ascending triangle right now. Higher lows being made into that 82.50, 83 resistance. So, yeah, that level needs to break, guys. Let's just put it that way. And if we do get out of there, this could be going a lot higher. So let me set my alerts right now, and in the meantime, make sure you guys join my email list. Every Monday, I send out my top 3 stocks to all my email subscribers for that week, so make sure you guys join it. And the beautiful thing is that it's free. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link right down below. Make sure you guys get in there. So let me do my alerts now. What the heck? I just did that and it didn't register. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Hold on a second. Mark is at or above 82.50. All right, there we go. And I'll do another one at, let's do it at $83.50. There we go. Mark is at or above. There we go, guys. So yeah, that's a quick breakdown on PLTR right now as we are in a holiday week. Christmas is in 2 days. Obviously, tomorrow's Christmas Eve, guys. So typically during holiday weeks, there's less volume, less trading activity. It happens. It's normal as we're wrapping up the year right now, so nothing too crazy is going on. We do have a little green, a little red on these indexes. Currently, the S&P 500 is up 0.3%, not bad. The Dow's down about 0.1%, so we have a mixed bag with these indexes. The Russell's down as well, but QQQ's up. QQQ's up about 0.6%, leading the green today, and it does kind of look like we have an inverse head and shoulders forming here on QQQ. Pretty clear as day. You guys see that? Left shoulder, you got it right there. Let me get it up here for you guys. Left shoulder's right here. Got the right shoulder right there, or the head's right there rather. The right shoulder is right here, and we're about to get a golden cross, arguably, on this 30-minute time frame. So if QQQ is able to really start pushing 522 to 525, if it starts getting out of there, this might break out. Maybe to end off the year, maybe in the new year, we might be breaking out to 535, 540. That's what I'm eyeing up right now. And let me see if we have that inverse head and shoulders on SPY as well. Yeah, we do. There it is, guys. Left shoulder. You got the head, you got the right shoulder. So if this really starts playing out, we might start breaking out to 600, maybe higher on SPY. And we'll see where it goes from there. I doubt we have an inverse head and shoulders on the Russell. Probably not, right? Russell and Dow, they're in a they're in a world of their own, I guess you can say right now. I mean, the charts look a bit different on the Dow and the Russell. Those are still very much downtrending, whereas SPY and QQQ, those are trying to reverse in the short term here. Obviously, long term in the grand scheme of things, every index is still uptrending, obviously, right? Doesn't take a rocket scientist to tell you that, but on the 30-minute chart, on the smaller time frames here, the Dow, the Russell, they're very much still downtrending, whereas SPY and QQQ, they're starting to arguably reverse on the smaller time frames. But either way, again, all of them in the grand scheme of things are still uptrending, moving in the right direction. But overall, guys, that's it for the video. That's it for the update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio every single week. I actually just posted an update earlier today on Patreon. Check it out. Link down below. And get your free stocks from Moomoo. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. That's if you want free money. Hey, who doesn't like free money? Get your stocks, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.